Now this is one of the mines that I did have listed on my map. I didn't realize there was remains of a workshop. Not much, but still a structure that is somewhat standing. I wonder if that was a notice location for somebody at one point. Tangled in some wire. Hey, lizard dude. Oh, that's what's left of an ore bin. Yeah, I saw the little road driving up here, but I tried to get to another mine that's close to where I parked, and it's up there, and it's just completely washed out, and I'm determining if I want to hike it or not. Okay, so there's track. Yeah. So that's the remains of an ore bin. All right, let's see what we got here. Wow. Out of all the things that I've gone down and come back out of. Ooh. Machine oil. Look, we're back to what I was saying. Everything that I've slid down into lately, that was easy. Okay, so they make sure you gotta watch for spikes like that. See, you rank that, like, not paying attention, that is right at my eyeball level. Squirrel. Yeah, I did not bring any rope on this trip. And I did that on purpose. So that means I mark this as must return. There's another Winze. This is the machine oil smell. Yeah. So they were pulling the ore up in this area. Oh, wow. See? That's no more. That's starting to break. Yep. I will be marking this as need to return. Bummer. But on that, I'm going to call it the end of this episode, and let's get you excited. Do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun. Be safe. When you see something like this, don't touch.